Hi, it's Carolee and Stacy here with Coffee Talk Tuesday. Welcome to our weekly event.
Absolutely.
Right?
Time to catch up with you guys, see what's been going on. Hopefully you've had a great weekend. We're hoping that spring might really be here this time. Winter came back, paid a little visit, and hopefully it's really gone this time.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to spring.
I had to cover up my flowers this weekend because I had planted them already.
Well, and I'm sure a lot of people did, because spring cleaning is about kind of getting your home in shape, getting the inside and the outside. One thing on the outside is cleaning out your flower beds, getting rid of all those dead leaves, remulching, planting some flowers, really sprucing up the front. It makes such a tremendous difference in the way that you feel about your house and the way when you come home, how exciting it is. So,
and one thing you may not think about is your front door too, with all the dust and the pollen that we've had in the air. Just take a wet rag and go and wipe it down, and then go in your house, because there's several little tips that you can do in the house. And one thing I learned a long time ago is on my stainless steel. Did you know you have all those little fingerprints and all that yucky stuff on the refrigerator?
My dog's noses.
Seriously?
On the dishwasher.
And they're kind of tall dogs. Well, if you'll take some baby oil and put it just on a nice, like one of those microfiber rags, and wipe your stainless steel down, it looks like brand new. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have thought about baby oil in that. And then finally, too, think about your closets. It's time to get in there, do some deep cleaning, get the old winter clothes, put those away. Look at your spring clothes. If you hadn't worn them since 2 springs ago, get rid of them. Donate them.
Yep.
Make room in your closet.
My rule is 6 months. It's out of there. If I haven't worn it in 6 months to a year and it's not in season, then I usually try to give that to someone else that could find it useful.
Absolutely. Those are great tips. So we're glad spring's here. Give us a call at 469-305-1805. Let us know how we can help you.
I'm Carolee.
I'm Stacy,
And
we're
we're
your real estate professionals.